Hi everyone, welcome to another fun collection unboxing today. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of the channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any fun projects and content like this. In this video, we're unboxing another collection. It's already July 2026, and this is the stained glass beads collection. I'm super excited for this one because this is a motif that really speaks to me and is very inspiring for me and other beaders as well. So let's take a look inside. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are carefully curated bead assortments created around a theme or a color palette designed for beaders of all levels. We launch our regular collections monthly on the first Thursday of the month and our smaller light collections on a Monday around the middle of the month. Learn more about Eureka collections by clicking the link in the description. Alright, and this is the collection. Let me tidy it all up and I'll discuss each product individually. Alright, the first things that you get in the collection is the inspiration picture, and it's this Rosetta. It's a stained glass piece from a cathedral in Europe, France probably, and it is so beautiful. The craftsmanship of these is just so incredible, and the colors are so pretty. Really love it. And all of that in those old medieval walls of stone. Really a beautiful sight and such a piece of history. And then you get a very useful piece of paper that has an inspirational paragraph in the front. I'll let you pause to read. This kind of sets the mood for the entire collection. And inside here, you get a full list of all of the supplies that are included. You get the name of the collection, stained glass. You get numbers. Each item is numbered. So you can look at the number, then look at the list, find out what bead it is, what color it is, how many or how much you get, and find the SKU number. That's the easiest way to find those beads at eurekacrystalbeads.com. So that's that. Why don't we start discussing the products with seed beads? So the first three products on the list are Toho seed beads, all in the same color, which is frosted bronze, and this is supposed to mimic the stone walls in this inspiration picture. I love this color, and you get a 5-gram bag of 50 O's, which is certainly enough for a lot of projects. You get a full tube of 8 O's, and let me tell you, this is the only tube in this entire collection. There's a lot of products, but all of them are in baggies. With number 3, you get Toho 11O demi rounds in the same frosted bronze color. Then with numbers 4 and 5, you get 2 custom mixes. They are both Miyuki beads. You get a mix of 11 O's, round 11 O's, and a mix of Delica 11 O's. And as you can see, they kind of correspond with one another. So this mix includes a matte black, plus 4 colors of silver aligned beads. So you get a silver aligned topaz or light topaz. You get a silver aligned blue, silver aligned emerald green, and silver aligned red. So this is like all of the stained glass in the picture. So lovely. And then in the mix of delicas, you get a similar combination of matte black. Then you get transparent colors, and there's the yellow, emerald green, red, and blue. So I think there's a lot of projects to be made that kind of literally resemble stained glass. So I look forward to designing with these mixes. And that's actually it for the seed beads. Now in the Czech beads department, you get 2 strands of 3mm fire polish, 1 in cobalt and 1 in cyan ruby. So these are basically the 2 most important colors in the stained glass window here, I think. So the transparent cobalt and transparent cyan red, very pretty. Oh, and both of these strands are 50 pieces. Then you get 2 types of 2-hole beads. You get gem duos, in jet blue iris, and then drop duos in jet full azzurro. Not sure what full azzurro means other than they are fully coated with this really interesting coating. And jet means that both of these types of beads have a jet core, so the glass itself is black. So even if they scratch, it won't be that visible. Now we finally reached the crystal section, and this one is definitely the most impressive in this collection. Starting with an incredible selection of crystal stones, and let me introduce you to a brand new kind of cut of stones. We call them solar. So this is a solar round stone. It's very large, by the way. And this is a solar octagon stone. They're both the same color, all of the stones that I have here on my hand, but I turned these two upside down so that you can see the incredible cut that they have. All of them are in volcano, which is also this beautiful color changing hue that has pink and purple and blue and green and some yellow too. So it really matches the theme, not to mention that this stone, this very large 18mm stone, literally looks like a stained glass window. So I'm really super excited about these, and you get 2 of these very large ones and 2 of the octagon stones, plus 6 8mm chatons in the same color. Don't they just sparkle? That's really beautiful. Now, if that wasn't enough, you also get 4 12mm Rivoli stones, 2 of them in our beautiful Capri blue, and 2 of them in the beautiful dark cyan color. I mean, it's just called cyan, but it's the darker one. And aren't these just beautiful classic colors? So I think 2 pairs of earrings, perhaps, or 1 with both of these colors. But these are not all of the new products that this collection features. There's also an about 90-piece strand of Krakowski crystal pearls in a brand new finish. So they are called textured, and you can see that they are not matte, they are not satin, they are not shiny, they are something completely new and different. And I really love this color for this collection as well, because it goes a little bit with the bronze seed beads here, but it is also a pop of a nice light shade among all of those dark beads. So I think these were a really great choice here. The next product is a Pretiosa bicone mix, so it's another custom mix in the collection. And here you have 4mm bicones in 4 different colors, and there's 72 pieces in the bag. Finally, the last product in the crystal section are these dark pine green Chinese rondelle beads, and they are, I would say, almost opaque. So when you hold them against the light, you can see that there is some transparency there, but they're almost opaque and in this beautiful dark green color. And they are 4.5 by 6mm, and in the package you get about 40. And we reached the finding section, and there are some treasures in here as well. First up, we have a bunch of Tiracast findings in antique bronze, really beautiful. This button is from their newest drop. It has a bit of an enamel of it, so the flower is enameled, and it's so pretty, especially in this finish, this antique brass finish or antique bronze. Then you get a toggle clasp, which I would say is the perfect size, and a pair of those ends or connectors that have a really pretty pattern that kind of slightly resembles that stained glass in that window, which I think is a really, really nice touch. Then for your earring projects, you get 2 pairs of ear wires, also in antique bronze or antique brass. And one is with this kind of leaf-shaped front here. As you can see, it's a bit of a smaller one. And here you have one classic one with a little ball. And that is Eureka's July 2026 Beads collection. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see the projects that I make with this collection. All of them will be free, of course. And let me know in the comments what are the highlights of this collection for you. For me, it's definitely the extensive crystal section, from those beautiful new stones to these beautiful new pearls, and the lovely 4mm bicone custom mix that we made. I really love all of those tiara cast findings that are included. Very pretty and match with the vibe so well. And I really like the custom seed bead mixes that we prepared especially for this collection. So I'm really looking forward to creating with all of those beads and crystals. You can get this collection, if it's still available, from eurekacrystalbeads.com. The link will be in the description down below, so make sure to check that out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!